morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, sports terms. Now let us start question answer session. Match the following sports terms with related game. First term, dues. Related sports, tennis, which is option C. In sports like tennis and ping pong, a deuce is a tie. One player must score 2 consecutive points to break the deuce and win. Next term, bully. Related game, hockey, which is option D. The term bully is related to field hockey. It refers to the set play that is used to restart the game. Similar to a drop ball in soccer, from where the infringement took place. Two opposing players stand facing each other and tap each other's sticks and the ground 3 times. All other players must be at least 16 feet away until the ball goes into play. Next up, leg by. Related game, cricket, which is option F. In the sport of cricket, a leg by is a run scored by the batting team if the batsman has not hit the ball with their bat, but the ball has hit the batsman's body or protective gear. It is covered by Law 23 of the Laws of Cricket. Next term, butterfly. Related sport, swimming, which is option H. It is a swimming stroke swum on the chest, with both arms moving symmetrically, accompanied by the butterfly kick. While other styles like breaststroke, front crawl, or backstroke can be swum adequately by beginners. The butterfly is a more difficult stroke that requires good techniques as well as strong muscles. It is the newest swimming style swum in competition. First swum in 1933 and originating out of the breaststroke. Next term, target. Related sport, archery, which is option B. Target games are activities in which players send an object toward a target while avoiding any obstacles. By playing these games, participants will learn the key skills and strategies for games such as croquet, golf, archery, boccia, curling and bowling. Next term, hook. Related sport, boxing, which is option I. A hook is type of shot inside power punch. The fighter bends their elbow and swings from the side, usually aiming for the liver, temple, jaw or ribs of his opponent. The arm bent at the elbows forms a hook, therefore giving its name. Next term, snatch. Related game, weightlifting, which is option J. The snatch is the first of 2 lifts contested in the sport of weightlifting, followed by the clean and jerk. The objective of the snatch is to lift the barbell from the ground to overhead in one continuous motion. There are 4 main styles of snatch used: squat snatch, split snatch, power snatch and muscle snatch. The squat snatch and split snatch are the most common style used in competition, while power snatch and muscle snatch are mostly used for training purposes. Next term is throw in. Related sport football, which is option E. The throw in is taken from the point where the ball crossed the touch line, either on the ground or in the air. Though typically a referee will tolerate small discrepancies between the position where the ball crossed the touch line and the opposition of the throw-in. The throw-in is taken by the opponents of the player who last touched the ball before it crossed the touch line. Next term is pivot, related sport basketball, which is option A. When you are stationary on the ground, the rules say you can move one foot around as long as the other foot remains planted on the floor. This is called pivoting, and all players must know how to pivot. There are two types of pivots, the forward pivot and the reverse pivot. In a forward pivot, the player pivots forward, while in a reverse pivot, the player pivots backward. Next term, dummy, related sports, bridge, which is option G. Bridge is a trick-taking card game using a standard 52 card deck. In its basic format, it is played by 4 players in 2 competing partnerships with partners sitting opposite each other around a table. In bridge, the dummy is the hand of declares partner and after opponents have tabled their opening lead. Dummy is placed face up on the table for all to see. The declare calls for the card he needs from the board and his partner plays it from the dummy. Fun fact: pommel horse is used in gymnastics. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.